Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about collections in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is a series of 3 videos over the course of the week, and today I'm talking specifically about search collections. The quickest ways to access collections are to use the View tool on the toolbar or the shortcut Alt, Shift and C. Collections will then appear in your binder panel. Now, before we start, I'm just going to say that this can look a little confusing until you get used to it. So when you're not using collections, you probably won't want to have them showing. What are collections? Well, they're a way of sorting parts of your manuscript to work on it, or to compile it. We'll go into that in more detail throughout the week. You'll see there's a search results title above binder, with a magnifying glass. This is the search collection that's part of all Scrivener templates, and this is the title of the collection. If you click on it, in the lower part of the binder, where it says Search Results a second time, you'll see the contents of the collection. There's nothing there yet, but there could be in your manuscript. That will become clear in a moment. Beneath the second search results title, there is a menu to sort the contents of this collection. If you click on the magnifying glass on the line above binder order, the search box at the top of the panel becomes active. If you put in a search term, you can see the term is highlighted in the editing screen, and you get a list of scenes in the collection which contain it. And this brings me to the fact that this might already be populated for you. Even if you've never opened up collections before, this happens automatically when you do a general search in Scrivener, and your last search is always saved until you create a new one. You can select individual documents to look at by clicking on them, and they'll appear in the editor. To refine your search parameters, click on the magnifying glass to the left of your search, the one at the top of the binder, and you get a whole menu of options on what to search for and where. So, what might you want to use this for? An obvious one would be overused words, those ones you know about, or you might want to search for mentions of a particular character, or a particular topic, or any of a million other things. Some of these things you might want to keep as a regular search check on your manuscript. For that, you'll probably want to save your search. To do this, first perform the search, then go back to that menu at the top of the binder to the left of the magnifying glass. Down the bottom of the list, you'll see Save Search as Collection. Select it, give the search a name, it'll suggest the search term for this, and click OK. If you're not already confused with all the different titles and magnifying glasses, don't worry, I'm going to try to explain it. You now have a new permanent collection. This will appear at the top of the binder list. Beneath that you have the search results collection. Beneath that you have the binder. All new collections are given a different colour, and they become an item in the binder list. This colour can be seen when the collection is open, and to the left of the item in the binder list. You can change that colour using the pull-down menu by the title within the collection. So all the collections have that colour block, but when selected, the contents will appear at the bottom of the panel. That's probably clearer if I click back onto the binder. Now you can easily see the 2 collections above it and the binder below. If I deselect collections, they disappear, but they're still there. Make sure your binder is selected first before doing this. You might want to do this if you're not currently using them, because they use up space in the binder panel, and if you have multiple collections, that will soon mount up. Back into the search collection we saved. One other cool thing about these collections is that they will update if you modify your search term, and you can do that at any time. You can also convert your saved search to a standard collection if you want, using Navigate Collections, Convert to Standard Collections. We'll be dealing with standard collections next time. Once you've converted this, though, You won't be able to change the term. To delete the saved collection, just click on the collection and use the minus next to collections. You can't delete the template search collection. And those are the basics of search collections. Next time I'll be talking about standard collections and how you might use them in conjunction with your editor to edit and write your manuscript.